I wanted a device that could run Python on the go. Not a laptop, not my phone, just something small, focused, and always ready. This is the Unihiker M10. It's an all-in-one Linux device that runs Python natively. Screen, sensors, USB, Wi-Fi, all in one compact package. The first step is to make it portable, and my good friend GokuX designed this case with battery management. I'm going to use that. Check out his video for the full build. Now, I can run native Python apps anywhere. Here is a Python app that I made. It graphs out sensor readings. It's currently reading the onboard light sensor. I can also connect any external sensors using the gravity ports. And at the end of the day, I can export all this data to an external USB drive if I want, because it supports USB mass storage. And that got me thinking. I have my ESP32 board running CircuitPython here. If I plug it in, I should be able to edit the Python code directly. So I made an editor program to do this. It is already running the blink program at 1 second interval. Let's open up the Python file inside the ESP32. Change the interval to 100 milliseconds. Let's save the file. I can also use a wireless keyboard if I want. So technically, I can code this ESP32 with the M10 if I wanted to. It also supports all the core Python libraries. So making something like a game is also completely possible. This simple game was made entirely on Python. So when a device is simple, focused, and always ready, you stop planning and start building. And for me, that's what the M10 is really about. If you have ideas for apps I should try next on this, let me know in the comments and keep making.